Hello and welcome to today's class. In today's video, we're going to have a look at 5 ways to ask how are you in Spanish. But tell me, do you know how to ask how are you in Spanish? Let's go ahead and have a look at 5 options. The first option is ¿qué tal? Second option is ¿cómo estás? Third option is ¿qué pasa? Fourth option is ¿qué tal? And the fifth option is ¿cómo estás? We're going to have a look at them one by one, and I will tell you when to use one and how Spanish people use it. So let's go with numero uno, number one. ¿Qué tal? This is the most common expression among Spanish people and is widely used as a greeting. So it doesn't necessarily need a response. ¿Qué tal? Could be like an hola or hi. Number two, número dos, ¿cómo estás? This is a more familiar expression that you would use with your friends, and you're generally asking the person how are they feeling and how are they getting on. So in this one, they will be waiting for a response from you. They want to know how you're feeling, so you could answer with estoy bien, or estoy cansado, or estoy contento, and so on. Let me know if you would like a video on how to reply to these questions. Then we have number three, ¿qué pasa? This is an informal expression and it would be the equivalent in English to how's it going? It's used widely among friends and also used as a greeting, so it doesn't necessarily need a response or a reply back. So, hi, what's happening? Hola, ¿qué pasa? Número cuatro, number four, ¿qué es de tu vida? This expression is again an informal expression that you would use with a friend that you haven't seen in a long time and you want to know how are they getting on, how's their life, and what are they doing at that point in time. And last but not least, número cinco, number five. ¿Cómo vas? This is a very colloquial expression. There are possible responses for these, or the most common responses would be ahí vamos. So things are neither good or bad, they're just like going. Or you could reply, and most people would answer with these no me puedo quejar. I can't complain. So this one will be in English, how are you getting on? Same reply, can't complain. No me puedo quejar. Did you know all of these? I hope you did. Let me know in the comments if you perhaps know or have more options for these. I would love to know. Gracias. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this videos and you wanted me to make more, this is how to support us. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel, you could hit the like button, or you could go on Facebook and join us in the group The Spanish Road, in which I will be putting more content, more exercises, all for free, and I will also let you know when the videos are uploaded. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Adios.